Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find your Minecraft world files. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to do it on both Minecraft Bedrock and Java. So first off, for Bedrock, you can just go ahead over to your search bar and type down %appdata%. Okay, so before it was local app data, now it's only app data. Click on it. As you can see, we have .minecraft. We don't want to double click on it. We're going to find just the Minecraft Bedrock folder. Double click on it. Now go ahead over to users. You have here this random number. Okay, double click on it. Double click, double click. Now we have Minecraft worlds. Now, as you can see here, it's pretty weird. Okay, it got some random text and numbers. Well, just double click on it if you want to know which is which. Go ahead and click on level name. And here we have it. This is my world. Okay. Now for Minecraft Java, okay, you can just go ahead and open up the launcher. Go ahead and go to Java Edition right here. Go ahead over to installations and latest release folders. And just go ahead and find the saves section. Okay. And here we have our world file. Okay. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps you. I'll see you in the next one.